Don't be so caught in imaginary stress that you miss the magic of reality. Let us help you overcome your fears like a pro. Join our exclusive residential workshop, Finding Solace in the Sanctuary, a self-discovery retreat amongst the nature. Exterminate your fears and unblock the boundaries you have set in your mind. Benefits, you ask? Well, it's a one-of-a-kind 2-day residential retreat program that includes food and stay, training and coaching by a coach and psychologist, free psychological assessments, free one-on-one coaching and counseling sessions, free yoga and meditation, and find the ability to identify and manage emotions and behaviors. This exclusive workshop helps you discover yourself and rejuvenate in the process. The agenda of the workshop: understanding the human mind, learning and practicing emotional intelligence, non-violent communication, healing and therapy, psychological assessments. Come, learn and unlearn being anxious and stressed. Call us for more info.